Hello everyone. Tech PSC is ready to launch one of its most successful courses, online, the Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspector course. The course is designed based on the latest syllabus put forward by the Kerala Motor Vehicle Department. This online module is designed in such a way that to ensure cracking the exam in the first attempt itself. After enrolling, you will get access to our online lectures, anytime, anywhere, plus you get to interact with other students. At the end of the course, you will be getting more than 100 hours of lecture, around 5,000 practice questions, quizzes, and mock tests.